How to remove bell with line through it on iPhone text messages. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any chat from here. Then, tap on the contact name at the top. Over here, scroll down and turn off the Hide Alerts feature. After that, go back to the Messages page. Go over to the same chat and swipe left. Here, tap on the mute icon as shown. You have now successfully muted this chat and will receive no alerts or notifications. You can also choose to unmute this chat in the same way whenever you want. Following these steps, you can easily remove bell with line through it on iPhone text messages. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.